currently 2:09 a.m. This is part 8 of the greatest trading method ever. We have RSI, CCI, both set to default. We trade at the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. We wait, candle time set to 5 seconds, candle period, time period set to 5 seconds. We have candles, we do $1 even though we have 10,230. We do $1 and we wait. We trade for 30 minutes, so 30 minutes from now would be, we would stop at 240, right? So we wait until the last 5 seconds and we trade. Right, so 265, it's sell, so we sell for $1. 1 and then 3. If 1 loses, we do 3. If 3 loses, we do 6. If 6 loses, we do 13. If 13 loses, we do 27. So on and so forth. Right? You have to be willing to lose in order for this trading method to work, right? So, firstly, this is the most moving currency pair, ERJPY. If you check here, see that it's 11% on movement. Our first trade is almost over and it's a win. Right, we wait until the next 5 seconds to make our trade and then we wait, right? It's a patience game and I'm not cutting the video so you understand how this trade method works. This is part 8, so you could watch part 7, part 6, part 5, or you could watch it in order from part 1 to part 8 and yeah, we trade. So we buy here for $1 on 3, right, and we wait. Silence. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3. The magic of this trading method would come in handy now, and you would get what I'm saying if you watch the 7th session. You would see exactly what I'm talking about. This session, we will try to trade and stop at 7:40. It's currently 2:12 in the morning, so yeah. The best times to trade is not this time. This time is just how my sleep schedule is aligned. The best time to trade is from 8 to 12, 8 to 11 in the day, right? Because 12 is technically lunchtime, so you take a break, or you could trade all day. It's your choice. It's up to you. If you want to take that type of risk, you could, but the best times to trade is, you could practice this method, see how it works, see if you got it. Well, you see how I'm doing it, and it's very, very straightforward. Nothing new. It's my method, right? It's what I created. I created this monster. So we wait. This is Infinite Money 2022. This is Infinite Money forever. Infinity 888, baby. You could visit Infinite Source store, link in description, the store. Buy something. Buy a summer graphic tee for me. So we make this trade and we wait. Yeah. This morning I'm not gonna really talk much. We're just gonna be vibes and markets, right? And again, I want you to do me a favor and spread only positivity in the world, please. Just be positive all the time. 25 just positivity. Nothing more, nothing less positivity, because as you know, and as I've talked about in the other videos, without the spread of positive vibes and without the spread of positive energy, there's enough negativity going around in the world, right? Too much people dying for no reason. Too much people hating each other for no reason. Bunch of kids being molested, beaten, shot up. There's no sense for all this to be going on. Right? We're human, we're not monsters, right? Stop behaving like monsters. Because when we build Eden and when we build the future, we won't come back for you. When we master time, we won't come back for the evil ones. So how about you be good so that when we come back, we're able to bring you into our Eden, saying that this person was actually a good person, helping people, being kind and genuine on a daily basis, instead of being genuinely evil, because we won't save you. Right? My job is to create Eden, and that's what I will do. Well, for now, this is what you need to increase wealth. They've held wealth from us, from you so long that, it's finally the way to increase it. Everybody has an equal opportunity to become wealthy, you feel me? Nobody doesn't have to take this seriously, but you see how it works. I've been trading. This is session 8, and as you can see, this is how my method works. It works off probability. The probability of you losing all these trades, 7 trades, 8 trades in a row, is very low, right? So yeah, you wait, right? Stop that $1. So yeah, slowly but surely, infinite money. You could do this for as long as you can. Literally 92 cents a minute, which is perfect, which is great actually. 5, 4, 3. This is up. I would assume so. And if it's not, we have 6 waiting to shoot it shot. And we wait patiently, 1 trade at a time. 1 second at a time, 1 minute at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 day at a time, 1 week at a time, 1 month at a time, 1 year at a time, 1 decade at a time, 1 century at a time, 1 millennium at a time. Infinity. Take your time. Okay, so 3 lost. Right, so we wait for the next trade. See, the market is getting volatile, deciding to move very quickly. I love when it does that. That way the indicators really get to shine, and you would see winning streaks happening when the volatility is high, right? And it starts vibrating faster, it becomes increasingly better, right? So 6 losers, we do 13, right? And as you can see, even though we have a 1, 2, even if this loser will be a 3 losing streak, we barely scratch our 10,000, right? And the idea is to have a lot of money to trade with. You have to understand that trading was made by the wealthy to make more wealth, not by the poor to try to increase wealth. It was made to increase an already substantial amount of wealth. Right, so this trade has lost at 6, so we do 13, 6 and 3 is 9 and 1 is 10. 13 gives you back $1.98. The $10 plus $1.98 because it's 11.98, so you make back $1.98 profit from this one. Only if it wins. You only lose if you give up. So 6 right here, 13. The next one in line is 27, right? So 13 is looking very grim already. It already bounced off the support line, which was kind of obvious, but I'm not trading with support and resistance. There's a huge support line here actually. Wow, I did not recognize that. You see this support line coming across it? Well, it's a resistance line, support and resistance. It resisted, supported, it came down here, it supported it to go up. We lost over 13.27, gives you back. This is 10.23, $1.89. And we wait. It's a waiting game. I'm not cutting it so you understand that it's a waiting game, not some fast kind that you have to patiently wait. Time is all you have. 765, and we buy here for us $27. Next one in line is 58. Right, This is what I'm using to, trade. Know which one is next. We are here. Already have this. So the next one, we are actually right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 streak. 5 rally, you call it. 5 rally as I call it. It's a rally, right? We wait, this one lost. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I told you the best time to trade is from 8 to 11 in the morning. I'm just trading like this for the video. Right? To, do this and then schedule it so that it uploads in the morning time when you're awake, not when you're sleeping. So, yeah. 6, 5. And we sell here because everybody's down. 58. After 58 is 123. Alright, 58 gives you back 27 and 3 is 30, 40, that's 50. It literally gives you back $3.47. 30, 40, 50, yes. Right, and as you can see, it's already looking very good, very sweet, right? Beautiful, right? Ooh, that's naughty. So 58 and 20, 30, 40, 50. So 108, and we have 113 profits from this. Right, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rally. That's why you need a substantial amount of money to trade with, right? You understand what I'm saying? Right, so we sell here for 5 at 5 seconds, 123. The next in line is 261. We'll go here and do 261. And we wait, right? And if this trade wins, we make back all our profits that we just lost. And that's the beauty of this trade. Works out probability. So you see that, well, in trading, you can't always expect to win. In life, it's the same way. But the idea is to persevere and keep trying as much as you can, and you will eventually win and get to where you want to be, right? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, you see how naughty that was. And the idea is always buy or sell at the last 5 seconds. So back down to 1. The idea is to always go back down to 1 and retrade, right? It was moving. So AUD USD always moves good at this time. Currently it's kind of consolidating, but we'll trade AUD USD instead because you saw how the other one was moving. We buy here for $1. We go up to 3 and we wait patiently, slowly but surely, one trade at a time. 27, 26, 25. And we wait. Comment down in the description, how did you feel when this was happening? Did you doubt? And if so, I will tell you that you eradicate doubt and fear from your mind and you will have a better life, right? Doubt and fear. No doubt, no fear, no form of negativity, no negative energy, no negative vibes, right? I am the best, I am the greatest, I am wonderful, I am powerful. I am the best at what I do. Tell yourself that every single day, and that's what you're going to become, right? Ba, ba, ba. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Buy here for $1 and we wait. Alright, so as I said, I'm not gonna cut so you understand that you need to wait. For patience sake, I'm not gonna cut this video. You watch everything and you watch everything to the end, okay? Anyways, yes, it's, 7. We have 17 more minutes, so 17 more trades to go. So yes, whether you clicked off this video is just a matter of fact of no patience. You have to have patience, and I commend you for reaching this far in the video. If you have, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, share it with your friends, your family. Let them know that there's actually ways out here that you could multiply wealth. You don't have to spend your lifetime in a job that you hate. Don't have to be programmed by these people, bro. You could rise above. We wait. Right. Mm-hmm. So we buy here for 6 because the RSI is up and the CCI is up. And we wait. The next one in line is 13. Patient silence. Best time of the night. Nice, so it's straight 1, so we're back down to 1. Right, so you know the vibes. So yes, as you can see, this is how the method works. Sell here. What the hell? Have one. We're selling regardless because I missed this trade. I had one, but they told me that whatever came up on the screen that the minimum amount was $1, even though we had $1. So I didn't get what just happened. I didn't get it at all. So yeah. April 2021. Oh my, I forgot that I had this shit. Whatever happens, happens. If we lose at 4, it's okay. 4 loses, we just do 6. Simple. Easy peasy, beautiful cover up. Then realize that this shit was so blurry, and I was thinking, so I was kind of lost in thought for a second. So it's just gonna happen that these two trades are going to lose, and we lost 4. 6 gives you back $1.53. So it's just like we did 1 and 3. So yeah. So now we do 6, right? We follow our pattern regardless, we follow our steps regardless. These things do happen, and it's just there's no reason to dwell on it, it's just to move on. 6, 5, 4, 3. 6 loses, we do 13. 13 gives you back your $10 plus whatever if we lose. Right? Keep in mind that you are all gods. You are all powerful beyond compare. There's no reason to doubt yourself. None whatsoever. Rise above. Tell yourself I can and I am. Right? Back down to 1. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Oh my. That's a movement. Now that's a lot of damage. Buy here for $1. Even though it seems as if it could bounce back to top, you just buy regardless because it's shot up. Usually what it does is it balances out itself, but we have no idea when it's going to do that. If it's before the 30 seconds or after the 30 seconds, so we just do what the indicators say, because in reality nobody could actually predict the market. I've seen professionals do their technical analysis for hours on end just to be wrong. So just do what your indicators say and do not apply your prejudice to the market. Do what you know you need to do to get to where you need to be. Okay, right? This morning is, it's already 2:30. This is actually around the time we started 20 minutes ago. Right, so 10 more minutes and some vibes. So what we're doing, we're selling here. I mean, I should have technically buy because we went up last minute, but whatever happens, we have a backup plan in place. We have a plan B, a plan C, a plan D, a plan E, a plan F, a plan G. We have all the plans for this. But the plans only work if you have money, okay? You have to have a substantial amount of money to trade like this. You cannot expect to trade like that with, let's say, $100, because as you can see here, this would have blown you 100. This. Okay. So yes, as you can see, we had the start of another rally begins. Right? I need some coffee, bro. 17, 16. We wait until the last 5 seconds to make our trade, and then we trade. We do what the indicators say. We do not do what we think the market is going to do, because human mind has prejudices. There's basically a calculator here calculating what the market is doing in real time. You do not have to apply your own prejudices to the market. You just do what the indicators say and stick to that. Right, and keep in mind that imagine the indicators are not always right. What do you think you're going to do? Right? Even the indicators that are meant to give an accurate representation of the market are most times wrong, most times correct. In and between, right? You wouldn't always get a winning trade, but the idea is always show up and always trade, right? Every day you trade from 8 to 11, every single day, every single morning you wake up. Before 8, of course, you don't wake up at 8 o'clock and go just hop. I mean, you could just dedicate your life to that. You have kids, put them on, sign them up, right? 8, 7, 6. We're selling here for 6 because both indicators are down. Then we move up to 13. And it's a waiting game. Right. Obviously resistance right here. Right, yeah. But it's not our job to trade this head and shoulders. Good job. We won. Now back down to $1. Right? So yeah. Currently 233. 230, yeah. We just jumped 3 minutes in front. My actual clock is up right here. Oh, that's what I'm looking at. And yeah, we trade. Right, so what this one does. So we would stop at 240, so we have technically 9 more trades to be made. Or more, because it's two trades every 30 minutes. 30 seconds actually. One trade every 30 seconds, so 2 trades a minute, which is 20 trades every 10 minutes. Correct. So yeah, as you can see, it's 31. As you can see, there's a start of another rally, right? The market served first. It's my time to hit the ball back. And we'll hit it back in 5 seconds, right? It's an extremely long table. It takes a while for the ball to reach to me. But all I have to do is wait, time it, and hit it. There we go. Right? We now wait for the ball to be sent back with 6. But as you can see, it seems as if our return was too hard for the market. So now it's struggling to combat us. It's struggling, he's struggling, he's struggling, he's struggling, he's struggling, and we almost have our point. Is he going to hit it? He's not there yet, he's too slow. He did not see the ball. Now the ball is going to cross, and we score. There we go, good job. Now we go back down to 1. It's now my turn to serve. So we wait patiently, right? 1, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And we sell here for $1, right? I served. It was a very tricky serve. Is the market going to realize what type of serve it is? It's trying to, it's attempting to do so, but the serve is curving, calling left, calling right. He has no idea where to go. I'm going to win this serve. Right, another point on my belt. And it's just a game, really and truly. It's a game of who's the better player and who has the longest trading time, and the trading time only depends on the amount of money you have. So my service again. See if the market is able to return. And it's just a matter of always trading. As you can see, if you watch the minutes, the time, the currency pair, every 30 seconds we make a trade, about every minute we made a trade, right? So we buy here for, oh, it's 30 seconds count down and then 30 seconds to expire, right? So it's 1 minute per trade. Said it was 2 trades a minute, but I lied. Well, it wasn't a lie, it was a miscalculation. And I apologize for my miscalculation. And as you can see here, the market is returning this serve. He returned it. It's my turn to serve again. I'll serve it a little bit harder with a 3 for me. Okay, the movement is 0.4, which is good enough to win, but it's kind of low on this movement. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and we serve. And we wait 3, 6. Ooh, is it gonna break this resistance? Right, let's see. See the skill level of Mr. Market. Market maker. Ooh, wait. 7, 6, 5. So we trade with 6, we make $1.53 off 6. As you can see, it's going down really and truly. It refused to go back and hit this, so we know where it's going. It's a downtrend. Alright. It's come from its session change is kinda up. We sell here. Even though it rejected there just now, we sell just in case. Not just in case, because the indicator says so, and you cannot predict the market does what it wants. Right? It could literally, the indicators say one, you literally have a billion indicators and all of them say down and the market will literally go up. So that's just how the market works, right? So yeah, believe in yourself, believe that you could do whatever you want to do with your life, right? You could literally take any step you want any day of the week you want, right? Patience, 1 day at a time, 1 second at a time, 1 minute at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 trade at a time, 1 day at a time, right? Patience. Six, 5, 4, 13, Next trading line is 27. Ooh, as you can see, 610. The market is starting to waver. He's starting to get tired. I'm also starting to get tired. It's currently, I trade until this hit 340, but it's 340 here in 2, 1. It's 340. I haven't changed, still 339 for some reason. Anyways, yes, it's 340 now. Right. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 for 1. Serve. Is he gonna hit it back? Is the spin on it too much? Is he gonna hit it? He's trying to. He aligns his racket. It's too weak. Alright, good job. So yeah. 222, baby. Matter of fact, you know what? We're gonna stop here today. I'm gonna stop. You get the idea of how the trading method works. Like, comment, subscribe. This is part 8 of the greatest trading method ever, literally infinite money hack 2022. This has been your host, Shamoy Foy. Good job, good luck, have fun, GG.